Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload high quality photo from Facebook Lite. Let's get started. At first, open Facebook Lite. Now tap on three dot line. Tap on settings. Now tap on media. Now turn off data saver mode. Now select high quality. Done. By this process, you can easily upload high quality photo from Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching.